Hi everyone, in this video we are going to learn how to use the choose function in Excel. The choose function in Excel returns a value from a list of values based on an index number. Let's say we have the days of the week and want to use the choose function to select a day based on an index number. Here's how our data look. Select the cell where you want to see the result. Apply formula as is equal to choose. Okay, so first of all, we have to select the index number, which is in cell A2, 1. And in the next arguments, value 1, value 2, value 3, we will write Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and so on, all the names of the weekdays. I will hit enter, and you can see Sunday is appearing against the cell 1. And when I will drag it to the bottom, you can see all the weekdays are appearing as per their respective numbers. So this is how the choose function works.